Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can find contacts on your Yubo app. Here I'm already logged in into my Yubo account and I assume you did so as well. Open up your Yubo and log into your account, and here on the bottom of your side on the right side of your screen you can see a people type of icon. If you click on this you can see that all the contacts will appear here. The option for request and discovery on top can help you choose and see people who have the same hobbies as you. Just go into request and you can also see friend requests that you've received and discover new people and find contacts here. And that is how you can simply find contacts, a quick and easy step on your Yubo account. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.